me turn the light on, if I can figure out where. Okay, this is a standard room at Disney's Yacht Club. Here's the shower, all newly renovated. And then you have the toilet in the same room. And you have a pocket door that closes. Then you have a little area for the sink, even a bath mat. And again, this pocket door closes. And when you first walk in, Keurig machine, small refrigerator. Here's a closet that lights up. Complimentary bathrobes along with slippers because this is a concierge club level floor room. Ironing board, safe. And you can see that the beds have been lifted off the floor, so there's storage under there. This room could connect to another room. Lots of storage, TV, second bed, 2 queen size beds, and then a convertible sleeper couch. Small desk with lots of USB ports. Then I'll show you the view. This is a standard view at Disney's Yacht and Beach Club. Again, this is a standard view club level room at Disney's Yacht and Beach Club. If you're interested in booking one of these rooms or any room on Disney property, please give your Tink's Magical Vacations vacation planner a call, or you can reach us at info@tinksmagicalvacations.com. Thanks and have a magical day.